Another way to make your map more dynamic is to highlight and outline an area. Let's say I want to highlight and outline the greater Columbus area. I'm going to go back up here to draw a line. I'm going to activate it. I'm going to click add line or shape, and I'm going to click a point. Then I'm going to draw the line, drag the line over here, click again. Now since I didn't click twice, my line is still activated. I'm going to click again because I'm just trying to highlight and surround this, and I keep clicking on different points until I reach back here to my first point. And when I click, notice a couple things happen. One, I can name this. I can add a description. And then I can hit save. Now let's say I want to change the color of this circle. Maybe we'll make it a reddish color since I used Ohio State earlier in the video. I just choose the color I want, and then I can X out of that.